are some ways you can incorporate ginger into your diet. 1. Ginger tea. Buy a piece of fresh ginger, trim off the tough knots and dry ends, carefully peel it, cut it into thin, crosswise slices. Put a few of the slices in a cup or mug, pour in boiling water and cover. To get all the goodness of the ginger, let the slices steep for at least 10 minutes. 2. Fresh root. Add freshly grated, chopped, or sliced ginger root to your food and drink. You can chew on raw fresh ginger, add it to a smoothie and shakes, add it to your recipes, grate or chop it, and mix it with honey. Make ginger juice or wellness shots. 3. Cooking. Add finely chopped fresh ginger or powdered ginger to curries or stir-fries. 4. Baking. Bake cookies, cakes, or pastries with ginger. Remember, while ginger has many potential health benefits, it should not be consumed in very large quantities. Ingredients: ginger,